Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to display or hide health and armor on HUD in Arena Breakout Infinite. To do it, click on Escape to enter menu, then make sure you are in Game tab here, and then to adjust health and armor on HUD, go to health and armor and you can set it to auto display, always show, or always hide. And this is how health and armor looks. You can see it here. When you've chosen the setting you want, click on save, then confirm, and then click here to go back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.